There's a fresh flashpoint between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP now. In fact, it is between the state government and the centre. Delhi Chief Minister Atishi has accused the PWD of evicting her from the Chief Minister's house. This row is over Delhi Chief Minister's residence. Atishi, the Chief Minister of Delhi and also Aam Aadmi Party leader, she's also a candidate from Kalkaji this time, has said that she's been evicted from the Chief Minister's house not once but twice. PWD has now countered Delhi Chief Minister's claim. PWD sources have said that the Chief Minister was not evicted, and PWD sources have also said that she was offered alternate house. The possession deliberately was not taken. In fact, after Sheesh Mahal controversy, this is the latest flashpoint between the state government, which is led by Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi, and also the centre, with Atishi, the Chief Minister, accusing the PWD of evicting her not once but twice.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी की केंद्र सरकार ने मुझे 3 महीने में दूसरी बार उस मुख्यमंत्री आवास से निकालकर बाहर फेंक दिया। ये हमारे घर छीन सकते हैं, ये हमें गालियां दे सकते हैं, लेकिन जो दिल्ली वालों के लिए काम करने का जज्बा हमारे दिल में है, उस जज्बे को नहीं छीन सकते हैं। आप हमें जितना परेशान करेंगे, हम उतने ज्यादा जज्बे से दिल्ली वालों के लिए काम करेंगे।
My colleague Ishika joins me with more details on this. Ishika, this is yet another flashpoint between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP, in fact, versus the state government and the centre, with Atishi, the Chief Minister, saying that she has been evicted not once but twice. Direct allegations at PWD, but PWD sources have been telling us that she was not in possession of the house, and she wasn't really there, and she wasn't evicted any time. So clearly tell us, which house are they talking about? Because all of this is happening after the Sheesh Mahal controversy broke out and the CAG report revealed some very staggering expenses from Arvind Kejriwal's side.
Well, that's right. In fact, today, certainly Chief Minister Atishi made a very big claim that she was evicted not once but twice from the Six Flagstaff Road. Now, what we are getting to know from the sources in the PWD is that they say they are denying all of these claims. They are saying that, first of all, the offer was given to Atishi for the Six Flagstaff Road, but she did not take possession of it. In fact, they say that as per the rules, she had to, in fact, respond regarding the possession within 1 week, but she did not do that, and she did not even do that till 3 months, which goes against the rules. Now, after that, they say that, the agencies started investigating the alleged irregularities in the renovation of that place. So that offer letter that was given by the PWD officials to Chief Minister Atishi was thereafter withdrawn, and then 2 alternate options was then given to Atishi, is what the PWD sources tell us, that she has not been evicted, she had never shifted there, and the PWD officials had given 2 alternate options to her. So certainly yet another chapter of the government, the AAP government versus the government officials is what we are seeing here. Over to you.
Right. Ishika, also tell us, how is the BJP looking at this whole issue? Because BJP sources have also been saying that this controversy is something that comes close onto the heels of the Sheesh Mahal controversy, something that even the Prime Minister spoke about. So how is the BJP looking at the latest allegations?
BJP certainly has made a highlight of this Sheesh Mahal controversy in this campaign against the Aam Aadmi Party, against Atishi, and against certainly Arvind Kejriwal. They have been raising this issue. They have held numerous protests, and now just before the election, we are also seeing that they have rather made a replica of the alleged Sheesh Mahal and put it, outside the party office for the public display. So they certainly are making it a highlight of their campaign, also in fact sending this message across to the voters that how allegedly the voters, the taxpayers' money was looted and then it was misused by the then Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal into renovating this residence. So they continue to take this issue, and they are saying that till date the Aam Aadmi Party has no response to that, because BJP has challenged that if there is no alleged irregularities, then why not open open the Six Flagstaff Road for the public viewing. Over to you.